On this is my video of how to change your stupid sprocket into a nine tooth. Mine's a 14 tooth, and somewhere around here is a 36 sprocket right there. 36 sprocket, and here's my 14 one. This all needs to be taken apart and replaced with a 9 tooth and a 25 tooth for that sprocket right there. So come next first, I will have it all replaced. Yeah, so, and if you want to know how I got this stupid thing off, I didn't have a tool, because I'm way too cheap for that. So you just need a pair of needle nose pliers. I got these at the dollar store. Not the dollar store, but the thrift store. Alright, bye.